Garbage Family Show!
Hey Garbage Family Show friends, I have a surprise guest in this video. My friend Wyatt is joining us today. We have a full video of garbage truck action, but first we gotta find one. And here's our first truck of the day. He dragged the can a little, did you see that? Reminder for all the little kids watching, keep a safe distance from the truck because the driver may not see you. On to the next street. When you follow the truck as much as I have, you learn the route and know exactly where they're headed. I like to pick up the trash that sometimes falls out of the bin. Just gotta keep the neighborhood clean, right? More paper on the ground. Up it goes. Jump! Good job. If you haven't already, be sure to pound that subscribe button and give this video a like, because it helps us out a lot. Also, be sure to check out our brand new channel, JFS Family. JFS Family is a channel for all ages, so the comments are turned on. And we have a cool video of me actually operating a real garbage truck. Check it out right after this video. Watch what happens when he gets to the last can on the street. Not this can, but the next one. Here it goes. Ah! That's another reason why you have to keep a safe distance from the truck at all times. Who wants garbage juice sprayed on them? Yuck! On to the next street. Hopefully nothing sprays out of these cans. This street is really congested, so I like to help the driver by moving the cans apart from him. It makes it easier for him to grab them. This is the truck that collected in our neighborhood last week. Here's some more bins to collect. Way to go! Overfilling the bins can slow the driver down, but he did a great job! A few more to go! On to the next stop. All right, we found another truck to follow. Now we're heading to another part of town. Let's check it out. And we're back on the street. Lots of cans here, so let's kick in the fast mode. Carlos says the bulk trash truck just arrived, so there's two trucks at the same time. There they are. Cleaning up after picking up a load is a nice touch. Good job, guys. Let's watch the side loader one more time and call it a day. Fast mode! Goodbye for now, everybody. Goodbye for now, everybody. Oh, and be sure to check out our new channel, GFS Family. You're gonna want to see it.